In this lecture, we are going to go over the IEEE Ethically Aligned Design. We will start by defining what the IEEE is. We will look at the IEEE's global initiative, the objective of the initiative, and its general principles. So what is the IEEE? IEEE stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. It is the largest technical organization for engineering and electronic engineering, and it was formed in 1963. The IEEE Global Initiative is made up of over 420,000 members across 160 countries, and the mission of the initiative is as follows: to ensure every stakeholder involved in the design and development of autonomous and intelligent systems is educated, trained, and empowered to prioritize ethical considerations so that these technologies are advanced for the benefit of humanity. Now, just a quick point here, the title of the document is actually Ethically Aligned Design, and the most recent version at the time of recording is version 2. Now, when you look at the AIGP body of knowledge, you're going to see that they're listing the global initiative, and that's okay. But what they really want you to be looking at is the principles listed in the ethically aligned design. And so that's what we'll be doing here. The objective of the global initiative and of the ethically aligned design document is to articulate high-level concerns that apply to autonomous and intelligent systems, which is abbreviated as A/IS. This is something that you should definitely remember, right? Remember, you want to think about the outliers. What stands out about all of these different values and principle documents, all right? The IEEE Global Initiative, in their ethically aligned design document, lists or categorizes these as autonomous and intelligent systems. So if you see A/IS, it's going to be tied to the IEEE Global Initiative. To return to our objectives, another one is to prioritize benefits to humanity and the natural environment, and to mitigate risks and negative impacts. There are 5 general principles in the document. They are human rights, well-being, accountability, transparency, and awareness of misuse. That's it. We're not going to dive into any specifics because the definitions outlined in the IEEE Global Initiative document are identical to what we've seen in other frameworks. So I think, again, the main takeaway is just that you know who the IEEE is, what the Global Initiative is, the name of the document, which is Ethically Aligned Design, and you know these 5 principles here. Again, hopefully by this point in this domain, you already understand these terms, you're fluent in the language, and that's it. It makes things easier moving forward. In this lecture, we have looked at the IEEE's ethically aligned design. We started by defining what the IEEE is. You'll remember that IEEE stands for the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. It is the largest technical organization for engineering and electronic engineering. The IEEE Global Initiative seeks to implement ethical considerations into autonomous and intelligent systems. Remember that phrase, autonomous and intelligent systems. That's going to be unique for the IEEE. The objective of the ethically aligned design document is to articulate high-level ethical considerations that apply to autonomous and intelligent systems, to prioritize benefits to humanity and the natural environment, and to mitigate risks and negative impacts. And finally, the 5 general principles are human rights, well-being, accountability, transparency, and awareness of misuse.